Alrighty guys, another day, another update from Anthropic, and this one is awesome because it's free and it's applicable to anyone building anything, whether it's personal life, work, business, growing your business, like what we talk about on this channel. This is a cool update, and I know it gets thrown around a lot, but this is genuinely applicable to most people building within Claude on all the plans, even the free ones. Claude can now create interactive diagrams, charts, and visualizations. If you're tired of looking at HTML all day, code all day, text all day, this new feature will directly take into account your words and turn them into stunning visuals, which I'm going to show you in this video. I'll link this down below as well. This literally just dropped a few hours ago. So I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using it, a few demo prompts for you guys, and exactly what you could do. For example, you can see people have the whole periodic table up. They're visualizing different things and just hopping right into Claude into a new chat. Again, if you're on the free plan, this works as well. I'm just going to show you the power of this. Show me a visual so I can understand how the Earth orbits the sun, please. I'm a little bit confused. I'm fascinated with space. I think it's pretty cool. So let's see what it does for me. Now, this is automatically drawn into the chat, and you'll see how awesome the user experience is. This is not HTML or opening up in the sidebar. This is not like artifacts, which is very similar at first glance, but the user interface and the feel of actually using this live, which I recommend everyone go and play with, looks really cool. And while that's generating, we're going to be covering these few prompts today. They'll all be down in the description, so you could copy them and start using them for specifically your business and marketing. I'm going to specifically show you this one right here, which honestly is really cool for visualizing what we're trying to do in my own company. So I'm going to show you that in a second. Let's just see here what it can do. So you can see it's generating an interactive diagram to show exactly how Earth orbits the sun. And it's doing this in live time, and it's doing it right in the chat. So it's not generating the code, going to split screen. When you see half screen, half chat, it's generating right in chat. So it's much nicer in my opinion. The feel is cleaner, and it's going to draw this in when you have a question about visualizing anything. And there you have it there. So not only is it an image that's moving, so it's dynamic, but you could change things. So let me increase the speed here. All right, cool. Now the Earth is really flying around the sun. You could copy the clipboard. You could download the file as well. So think about how powerful this is for education, learning, even using this in a video or a YouTube edit. You could download this and you could use it. I don't know what this is going to download as. Okay, it's going to download as HTML, but there's so many different things you could do. And that took 10 seconds. You saw it live, how it was. Now, can we visualize something where more planets are involved just so I could see where we are in our solar system? See how it handles the changes here. You can see this is pretty cool, and this is going to happen in chat. So sometimes you're talking a lot to Claude, you want to plan something, you want to diagram something out, and it's telling you stuff, and it's giving you visuals or it's generating code that you have to open up in HTML, but it's just not helpful. This will do it right in chat, given no extra prompting. It'll just say, okay, I think the user wants an interactive diagram. An interactive diagram would be helpful here. Here is an interactive diagram. So now it's going to help me learn the entire solar system. And while that's going, I'm going to open up a separate chat. We're going to test some of these other prompts that I'm actually using within my business and personal life. All right, I got another chat open here. I'm just going to paste this one in. A lot of people here want to start creating content. It's the best way to, I think, get opportunities in your life, your business, etc. Highly recommend everyone here do it. Claude's been helping me do that. If you check out my other videos, absolutely game changer for content creation. I'm going to grab this. Again, if you want to copy the prompts I have, they're for free, completely for free in the description, along with the URL from Claude of the launch, if you want to check that out. I'm going to say something along the lines of this. This is going to be top of funnel AI introduction videos, showing how to use AI for your marketing. So I'm just describing my content pillars here. Showing proof of our clients who we've helped generate $750,000 using AI, marketing, content creation, etc. All right, so these are the pillars of my content. These are loosely what we actually do, but nonetheless, like this is pretty much what my content strategy is. I'm gonna let that generate and let's see what this did here. And that's really cool. I mean, at least for me, this is cool, right? Just visualizing things here. And that's what we could do. Like the quality of the diagram is insane. You can click into each, okay? So you can see the speed of each. I mean, like, is that not cool? And let's see what this is. All right, so this is just a prompt to get more information. So this is going to change education, anything. If you're making videos online, like it's going to help you out immensely. And it does it natively. You don't have to integrate anything, install anything, no Claude code, no co-work, nothing. Boom, right in browser, it just does it for you. You don't have to do anything at all. It's pretty awesome here. Let's see what this is doing. All right, so this is building out my pillars. I'm going to be exploring this much more in depth and seeing how we could add on to it and how far can we push the system. So make sure you follow along for those types of videos. This is literally just released. I've been playing around with it. There's endless, infinite things you could create with this for your business, personal life, work, productivity, etc. Just visualizing things at a high level. That's what I'm going to be doing with my company. I love to see flow charts and diagrams. So I'm going to be abusing it in that regard. So pillar 1, pillar 2, pillar 3, and then this is the best part. It's interactive, right? So for AI introduction videos, let's do content creation videos. There we go. So these are videos that I could actually make, and this helps me visualize it. I could download it, I could send it to my team, I could save it as an artifact, etc. And another one of these here, which I'm not going to show you because this is going to be a demo video for you guys, just show you what's even possible. The client journey map and the marketing funnel map. This one is huge for us, just visualizing where people come into our funnel and seeing how they go through our steps of finding us, getting nurtured by us, and buying from us, and then staying with us for as long as possible. So I've been setting this up as well, which is a pretty powerful prompt. Can we try doing this in another format? This is too basic for me. So I'm just gonna be harsh with it and see what it does here as we wrap this up. But you can see exactly what's possible here. And so that is what people are building. If you want more inspiration, they don't have many examples here, honestly. Like this is the introduction video from Claude is okay. I think this one is pretty cool here, where they actually show some type of workflow diagram like I built in this prompt. But I recommend you go in, explore. You could even prompt Claude something around the lines of, it's going to give it this. You even tell Claude, based on your knowledge of me, your memory of me, build me some diagrams that you think would be cool. Actually, I'm going to do that really quickly. Just came up with that. And let's see what it comes up with as this generates. I just heard about your interactive design features where you could put in charts, presentations, visuals. Based on your memory of me and what you know about me, could you please generate me a visual that I would find interesting? I'm using Sonnet here, by the way. So if you want to use Opus, this might even be better. So let's see what this does here. And going back to this one, I basically said just rearrange it, and this is what it came up with. So I rearranged it into something a little bit different, and it showed actually my entire business. So I didn't even give it context about this in this chat. It pulled it in from before, so that's pretty cool. And then it knows me too well because what I did here is basically said, based on what you know about me, just make something I would like, and this is exactly what I like. I love to see the numbers of my content, seeing what's doing well, seeing my content pillars, boom, 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 boom. And it's pulling directly in from our clients, which is insane. Like this is our clients, here's our clients. And then it's giving us the winning signals for our YouTube. Now, this isn't live data. If you want live data videos, check out my other videos around using social media and Claude and actually pulling in live data because you need Claude code for that. But this is pretty good at one glance because sometimes I give it my YouTube CSV of my data, so it's able to pull these in. And again, like I can't ask for much more. And then it even gives prompts for me to use that are clickable. And this content ideas. Crazy. Like this is an awesome update. I'm gonna be playing with this a lot more. Just want to give you guys a quick intro to it. Start messing around with it. I recommend starting off with something like this, or if you're in marketing and growing your business, again, I have a whole prompt pack down below. You could grab for completely free. Hope you enjoy this video. If you learned something new, make sure you hit subscribe. And I hope you stick around for new videos I'm dropping every single week using AI. If you like this video, watch this video next, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.